If you or someone you know is suffering from scoliosis and you don't know what to do, this video is for you. I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been working with people to help remove the obstacles in their health and get back to amazing, fantastic lives for the last 20 years. Scoliosis is something that's hit me and my family personally. I've developed one, as well as I have a niece that had one as well. And one of the things that I've realized for many cases that really winds up being helpful, especially for advanced cases, is to utilize some form of bracing, and not just any form of bracing. You know, scoliosis is a very complex condition. It's a three-dimensional breakdown of the spine along all of the axes and directions of rotation that it has. Most therapies, as well as most braces that are out there, don't necessarily address all three dimensions. They typically just address two dimensions, and they don't address a lot of the rotational component. What we've found has been massively successful in helping to reduce progression, as well as to reduce any symptoms that you may be having from it, is a bracing system called Scolibrace. So this is what one of the Scolibraces that we made for a pediatric case or an adolescent onset scoliosis would look like. Some of the unique features you'll notice is that it does have the ability to bend in two directions, but then when you look at it in the third direction, you can also see that there's some rotation that's been incorporated into this brace. These braces that we use are uniquely custom designed and molded for each individual. We work with the best orthotists, biomechanists, as well as other scoliosis specialists from around the world. We take digital 3D scans of an individual in order to make this, as well as some really intense and focused x-rays and images. If you or someone you know has been struggling with scoliosis or just don't even know where to go ahead and write the comments down below. I look to answer these as often as I can, and we've been able to help people all over the country with getting the next step that they need to take on managing their scoliosis to make sure that they can live amazing, fantastic lives. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up.